The Wall Street Journal has said that there is no industry that is more demanding and that moves at a fast rate of speed like telecommunications. It's a very dynamic industry, and we can all relate to it. We all carry a phone with us everywhere we go. It's practically how we function our everyday lives. Allegiance Capital understands the complex world of telecommunications, and we have completed a number of successful telecommunications transactions.
High-quality management teams are attractive to investors in today's M&A market. Recently, Allegiance Capital completed a transaction representing Future Telecom, and the owners were very pleased with the results.
We're quite naive about the type of capital out there for businesses. And as a matter of fact, we left here after our first meeting high-fiving in the hall on the fact that we never knew that business transactions could take place like this with the type of dollars in them and the ease it takes once you have the right direction. So we were stoked. We came out here going, I think this is going to really be a positive thing for us.
Having the flexibility to market a company to both financial and strategic buyers provides the ideal opportunity to discover more options and to maximize value.
For Future Telecom, we marketed the company to both financial and strategic buyers. This allowed us to bring multiple options to the Future Telecom shareholders so they could make a logical choice regarding value and deal structure.
Selling a business is not a simple process. Owners need to remain focused on their business. Professional representation is the key to a successful transaction, and its importance is recognized by both buyers and sellers.
I think one of the things that we have noticed that when we go and do a transaction, people that are represented by a very capable firm have the opportunity to continue to run their business successfully, and they have a partner to lead and guide them through a very complex process.
My thoughts for folks that are wanting to do this type of transaction is you really need to seek a professional like Allegiance to represent you. One of the first things they'll do is probably get you quite a bit more money for your firm, and they will give you great representation. If you don't do this on a day-to-day business, you can't do it well. And Allegiance does this very well, so, I don't think you try to do surgery on your own heart, so stick to what you know.
When a business owner is selecting an investment banker, one of the primary things they ought to focus on is certainty of close. It is very important that if you start down the path of one of these transactions, that you are comfortable that all the things that are going to be necessary to be done will be done in terms of marshaling this process from beginning to end, because those are the details that will increase the likelihood of closing the transaction that you want to close.
The sales process is a journey. Don Riggs has some good advice for those who want to take that journey. Just relax. You are in good hands.
The one piece of advice that I would give out to a potential business seller is just relax. These guys are professionals that are handling your business for you here. You can continue to work, move forward, do what you do best, and it doesn't have to be a burden. It can be a journey, a fun journey.